Hi guys, in this video I will walk you through the entire setup process from pairing to syncing your first health data in the Hume band. So first of all you need to make sure that your Hume band is charged because a low battery can prevent the pairing process from working properly. So once it is charged, you just have to simply download the Hume Health application from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you just have to sign in into your account. After enabling the Bluetooth, you just have to simply take a look at the plus icon or the add device option on the home page. If that is not on the home page, you can also select the option of band, and here you can find the option. Now you need to also place the band close to the phone. If needed, you can also press and hold the side button in order to put the band into the pairing mode. The application then should automatically detect your device and will guide you through the remaining setup process. So once it is connected, you are going to see this type of section which is going to show you all of the devices that are connected. You can also select the option of add new device, and then you can add any other device. Now over here it will show that your Hume band is connected. You can also refresh this and see if it is now connected successfully. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.